Hey guys, OnePlus almost set to launch the new smartphone, the OnePlus 12. The phone comes with lot of changes compared to the last generation. Finally, you can get cut out part of a photo on your OnePlus devices. So now you can easily remove any background photos just one click. Then you can easily copy, save and share these pictures and the animation completely look like iOS. And you also get new gallery app and it look like totally iOS gallery app. And another good news, OnePlus 12 launch date will be announced next week. And the rumors say that the OnePlus 12 launch in China in December 2023 with a global release in January 2024. And we also know that OnePlus 12 comes with 2K resolution OBX1 OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness is 2600 nits. Of course, the phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and up to 24 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage. In the back is also come with triple camera setup. The phone comes with 50 megapixel Sony Lite main sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide and the first time OnePlus using periscope zoom lens on the OnePlus devices and 64 megapixel 3x optical telephoto periscope zoom lens and you also zoom highest 120x. The phone powered by 5400 mAh battery and it support 100 watt fast charging and also 50 watt wireless charging. So what's the price of coming OnePlus 12? Rumors say that its starting price is $700. So let's see what happens in the future. So that's pretty much for our video. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.